Hi, this is Jason, and welcome back to 2015, the year I got the runs. So here it is about 10 minutes till 6, and I was about ready to go on a run, but we just got hit with a tornado warning, so we're down in the basement hiding out while the sirens are going off, killing time, us, and our dog Kaufman, and the rain's about ready to hit. You can hear the sirens. So I'm gonna hang out here until I can hit the road. I'll see you soon. Well, the tornado watch just ended, the tornado sirens just shut off, and the rain is coming down. I'm gonna go on my first rain run. Hey buddy! Well, I made it home safe, which is good because I have a lot more running to do. So keep watching because as you know, 2015 is the year I got the runs.